Hi everyone and welcome to this walkthrough of our net worth dashboard. It is easy to use a one-tab spreadsheet. I have included the README tab with the helpful instructions so that you can always have the guidance. This spreadsheet does not update automatically, so that you will need to enter some data manually. Now, before you start adding your assets and liabilities, firstly, let's select the start date from the pop-up calendar. For example, let's say I want to start from the January 2025. The sheet now will display automatically the next 12 consecutive months, all the way to the December 2025. Next, let's select your currency from the drop-down menu. I have included the most commonly used currencies, so let's switch for example to euros. Notice how all values in the spreadsheet instantly update to reflect your chosen currency. Now let's set your net worth goal for the year. For example, let's say I want to reach $100,000 in net worth by the end of the year. Once I start adding the assets and liabilities, the tracker will automatically show my progress. Next, what you need to do is to add your assets and liabilities. I have divided the assets into 4 different categories: cash and bank accounts, investments, properties, and other assets. The liabilities into the 3 different categories: credit card debt, long-term debts and loans, and other liabilities. You can rename all these categories however you like. For each category, you can add up to 10 different subcategories. If you have more than 10, you can easily insert some additional rows. Let's start by adding some assets under cash and bank accounts. Let's add Chase checking account, JP Morgan checking account, savings account, and emergency fund. Let's enter the starting balances from the previous year. If you don't have previous data, simply enter 0 and move on to entering values for January. As we continue adding data, the subtotal for each category and grand total for all assets will update automatically. Just like we did for the assets, let's enter some liabilities like MasterCard credit card, American Express credit card, student loan, and business loan. We will also add the starting balances and the first month's values. Immediately, we will see our net worth growth, which updates as we continue entering data for more months. Once you have filled out multiple months, the net worth by month table will show how your assets are increasing or decreasing, how your liabilities are evolving. The bar chart will give you a clear visual representation of your net worth growth over time. You will also see the overview of your assets and liabilities distributions, making it easy to track your financial progress. If you want to track some additional years, you don't need to purchase new spreadsheet for the next year. Simply make a copy, update the year, and clear all existing data to start fresh. Here is how. Click on the small arrow in the Spreadsheet tab. Select Copy to existing spreadsheet and choose where to save it. Or you can go to the file, make a copy, rename it for the next year and click Make a Copy. And you are all set. That's everything you need to know to track your financial journey using the net worth dashboard. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or send me a message. I have included my contact info in the description below. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.